Hi everyone, welcome to a new vlog. Today is going to be a very slow and easy day. पूरे वीक के बाद वीकेंड्स पर मुझे मॉर्निंग थोड़ी स्लो रखना बहुत पसंद है. देर इज़ नो रशिंग, नो कॉन्स्टेंटली लुकिंग एट द क्लॉक. बस थोड़ा सा टाइम टू वेक अप प्रॉपरली एंड स्टार्ट द डे एट माई ओन पेस. And the weather that morning was making it even better. I didn't really too much plan for the first half of the day. बस आराम से चाय पीनी थी, spend some time with the family, and later I wanted to make something really nice for us to eat. So yeah, let's start the day. मुंबई में मॉनसून्स के टाइम मॉर्निंग्स काफ़ी ग्लूमी हो जाती हैं फॉर अदर्स, बट आई लव रेन्स, सो नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम टू मी. In fact, everything just feel a little slower and calmer. Good morning. And before I could properly start my morning, it was time to wake this little one up. अर्थ वैसे तो यूजुअली जल्दी ही उठ जाता है, सो वीकेंड्स पे आई जस्ट लेट हिम स्लीप अ लिटिल लॉन्गर एज पर हिज कंफर्ट. वंस एवरीवन वाज फाइनली अप, मैं किचन की तरफ चली फॉर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ माई मॉर्निंग, ऑफ कोर्स चाय. I think morning ki first cup of tea has its own comfort, and especially on a day when you don't have to rush anywhere. I like taking those extra few minutes to make it properly and enjoy it while it's still hot. मेरी चाय की कोई फैंसी रेसिपी नहीं है, इट्स जस्ट द यूजुअल एवरीडे टी, but somehow the day doesn't feel like it has started until I've had this. Once अर्थ इज अप, घर ऑटोमेटिकली थोड़ा मोर लाइवली हो जाता है. आई रियली इन्जॉय मॉर्निंग्स लाइक दीज, जब हम सब बस घर पे होते हैं एंड देर इज़ नो वेयर वी नीड टू बी इमीडिएटली. By this time, it was already quite late for breakfast, and since we had plans to go out in the evening, I thought of making something that could work as both breakfast and lunch. So आज का मेन्यू था लखनवी कबाब रोल्स with homemade parathas and quick green chutney on the side. I started with the dough first. पराठास के लिए आई एम टेकिंग रेगुलर मैदा. इसमें मैं कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड ऐड नहीं कर रही हूँ, जस्ट कीपिंग इट रियली सिंपल. I added a little oil along with spoon of sugar and some salt, and then started bringing everything together. So इन पराठों के लिए मैं हल्का सा warm water यूज़ करती हूँ to knead the dough. It just makes the dough a little softer and easier to work with. तो डो को मैंने रेस्ट करने के लिए रख दिया and I quickly moved on to the chutney. For the chutney, I am keeping it very basic: fresh coriander, green chilies, salt, ginger, garlic and some curd. लखनवी कबाब रोल्स के साथ ना फ्रेश ग्रीन चटनी बहुत अच्छी लगती है. With the chutney done, I use the same jar to start prepping the kebab mixture. For this, I am using boiled chana as the base. To the boiled chana, I added some ginger, garlic, and green chilies along with a little curd. इसमें एक चीज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट है, we don't need to add any water at all. And this is roughly the consistency we are looking for. Once that was done, I added another 2 spoons of besan. For the seasoning, I kept it pretty simple, some red chili powder, dhania powder, garam masala and salt. You can obviously adjust the spices according to your taste. And while the kebab mixture was resting, I quickly sliced some onions to serve on the side. लखनवी कबाब के साथ ग्रीन चटनी एंड स्लाइस्ड अनियन का कॉम्बिनेशन इज जस्ट प्योर ब्लिस. For the kebabs, just grease your hand with a little oil. Take a small portion of the mixture and give it a very light shape before placing it on the tawa. बैटर उतना थिक नहीं होता, सो यू रियली डोंट हैव टू स्ट्रगल टू मेक अ परफेक्ट कबाब इन योर हैंड. हीट पर जाते ही दे स्टार्ट होल्डिंग टुगेदर एंड टेक अ मच बेटर शेप. एंड दिस नॉन स्टिक तवा इज़ एक्चुअली टू गुड फॉर दिस. बिल्कुल हैसल नहीं होता. Nothing sticks, they are easy to flip and they get that nice golden color on both sides. Next I started with maida parathas, and if you are making these for the first time, rolling them into thin can be little tricky initially. पहले वाला थोड़ा patience लेता है because the dough keeps pulling back and getting the shape right feels slightly difficult. But trust me, by the time you reach your second or third paratha, you are sorted. You understand how much pressure to use and then getting them into thin becomes much easier. And finally everything was ready. Now in Lucknow, you'll usually see these served in two ways. One is exactly like this, kebab and parathas on the plate with sliced onion and green chutney on the side. And the second way is to turn the same into a roll, which is definitely my favorite. Take one paratha, spread the kebab nicely over it, add some sliced onion and that fresh green chutney, and then just roll everything together. तो मेरे हस्बैंड यूजुअली प्रेफर्स ईटिंग सेपरेटली फ्रॉम द प्लेट, बट आई लाइक द रोल थिंग मोर. And that was our breakfast cum lunch sorted for the day. Also, the weather was so good that day, and with the rolls we were eating and soft music playing in the background, it was a combination of its own. And since we had plans for the evening, so घर का काम करने के बाद अब फाइनली रेडी होने का टाइम था. आज बाहर जाने का प्लान था लेकिन कोई जल्दी नहीं थी, तो मैं बहुत आराम से रेडी हो रही थी. मेकअप भी आज कुछ हैवी नहीं करना था, बस थोड़ा सा बेस, ब्लश, आईज जो मुझे कंफर्टेबल लगे, दैट्स ऑल. I have realized I enjoy getting ready so much more when I'm not in a hurry. You can actually take your time instead of constantly checking the clock. So makeup was done, thoda sa perfume, some jewelry and last minute touch-ups, and I was pretty much ready. जब हम निकले तब वेदर काफ़ी अच्छा था. मुंबई की बारिश वैसे प्लान्स थोड़े अनप्रेडिक्टेबल ज़रूर बना देती है, बट द ड्राइव्स बिकम सो मच बेटर. By the time we reached South Mumbai, it was already dark. And you know, these are the same court stairs that you might have seen in so many movies. And finally, after almost 1.5 hour drive, yes, 1.5 hour drive, we reached Taj, getting used to Mumbai traffic. ताज के गेट से अंदर आते ही देयर इज़ अ फीलिंग दैट नेवर रियली चेंजेस फॉर मी. I've been here earlier too, yet its magnificence, its history, and the way it stands so timeless, it always pulls me back. थोड़ा घूमने के बाद we finally sat down and the first thing we ordered was coffee because we had been craving one for quite some time. Arth was quite hungry by then, so he was definitely more interested in the food than anything else. For food, we ordered some sandwiches, rigatoni pasta, and samosa chaat. We weren't really in the mood for a proper Indian meal, so we just ordered a few things that we felt like having. Food, I would say, was okayish, but the ambience definitely made up for it. And the gateway of India right there, the view was beautiful. By the time we left, it was around 11:30 and the roads were still full. Someone rightly said Mumbai never sleeps. And that's all for today. Hope you like this one. Bye.